Today we have an installation video of our 3500 150 I-beam series heavy duty steel pocket door frame kit for a 28 inch by 96 inch by 1 3/8 inch solid core door. The kit consists of 4 16 gauge 3/4 by 1.5 inch steel posts with top and bottom brackets, LVL header, track covers, and an I-beam track rated for 150 pound door, with ball bearing rollers and mounting hardware, complete with door guide. This kit comes completely knocked down for shipping purposes with a snap together post system. After you take the kit out of the box, remove the floor brackets and take the track cover off the header. Then take the header to the rough opening and put it under the framed header. On new framing, we use a small clamp to hold our header in place. Since this is a remodel and there's already drywall on both sides, we will use an adjustable post to hold the header in place until we snap the posts into position. Grab a pair of posts. The one with the 3/4 nailer goes towards the opening. Snap them into one of the floor brackets. Then tilt up the post and snap it into the post brackets on the top and slide the bottom bracket over into position. Then repeat this for the second set of posts. Next, we like to insert a spacer block between the two post brackets on the floor. In this case, it's a block ripped 2 inches by 18 inch to fit between the posts. Then take 2 small clamps and tighten both sides around the block. This leaves you right at your wall width, in this case 3.5 inches for a 2x4 wall. Then remove your temporary posts. Now we are ready to shim our header. It's crucial that the header is level. By having a level header and a plumb post, your door will hang level. Place shims at the center of the header above the posts, then slide over towards the jamb at the door opening. Place shims and secure when level. Next, slide towards the jamb in the pocket and place shims. Then you can place shims as needed between the jamb and the center post, depending on the length of your header. Next, you want to fasten the header securely to the framing header with ring shank nails or screws. Now we're ready to plumb our post. Make sure that you use an appropriate level for the height of your opening. Once your opening once your post is level and the chalk line in your opening, double check it that it's plumb in both directions so the door can hang plumb. Take a hammer drill with a 1/4 inch bit and pre-drill holes for the included concrete anchors. If you have a subfloor, then you can use wood screws. Fasten your anchors on one side. Then make sure your posts are square from one side to the other and double check for plumb. Then you're ready to drill and secure the other side. Once the bottom brackets are secure, you can remove the clamps and the spacer block. This is normally where we would install our T-floor guide, which you can catch in a separate video. This application is going to use our U-guide located in the hardware bag to be installed when the door is hung. Next, we're going to fasten the track covers back on to the header in the opening. We put an X and an O on each side so you can line up the screw holes easily. We also pre-drill a spot to insert a toe screw from the track cover to the split jam nailer to hold the connection flush. Insert a couple of 1.5 inch screws to secure. Next, we're going to cut off our excess shims. You can use an old-fashioned knife, or the Multi-Master works great for this. So that's the installation of the 3500-150 series. We include the door mounting hardware in a bag. In this case, we have the door guide in the bag as well to give to the trim carpenter to install as he hangs the door. Normally, we provide our T-floor guide as shown in another video. This kit comes with ball bearing rollers and hardware that will carry a 150-pound door. Thanks for watching our video. You can purchase or see other products at HeavyDutyPocketDoorFrames.com.